Welcome to Subtitle Off. This is a podcast where we talk about different topics and help you learn English in a fun and natural way. Today, we're talking about trucks. Let's hit the road.
Welcome back to Subtitle Off. Nick, you once told me not every dot inspection goes smoothly. What happened?
Yeah, and not every inspection goes perfectly. This one happened in Oklahoma around 9 a.m. I thought it would be quick, just a level 2, but nope.
Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good.
The officer asked for my logbook, and I realized I hadn't updated my on-duty status since the night before. So my ELD showed I was still off-duty while I was clearly driving.
Oh no, that's bad, right?
Yeah, that's what they call a logbook violation. And it didn't stop there. He found that my left trailer light was out, one of the reflective tapes was peeling off, and one tire was a bit low on pressure.
Wow, all that in one inspection?
Yep. He sighed and said, "We've got a few issues here, driver." I tried to stay calm and polite, but inside I was like, great, this is going to be a long morning.
Okay, tell me what happened next. What did he say?
Good morning, driver. This is a Level 2 DOT inspection. I'll need to see your CDL, medical card, and electronic logbook.
Sure thing, officer. Here's my CDL and the logbook on my tablet.
Okay, I see your log shows off-duty since yesterday evening. You've been driving this morning, though, right?
Yes, sir, that's correct. I forgot to change my duty status when I started.
All right, that's a logbook violation. You need to keep it current and accurate. Please turn on your headlights, four ways, and brake lights.
All lights on, sir.
Okay, right there. Your left trailer light isn't working. Let's also check your tires. This one's at 85 psi. It should be around 100.
Oh, I see. I'll air it up at the next truck stop.
Do you have your reflective triangles and fire extinguisher?
Yes, sir, they're right behind the driver's seat.
Thank you. But I notice your rear reflective tape is peeling. That's another minor violation. Listen, driver, these might seem small, but together they add up in your CSA score.
I understand, officer.
I'll mark these as non-out-of-service violations, but you need to fix them before moving. Here's your inspection report and a written warning for the logbook issue. Make sure to update your ELD and repair those items today. Drive safe and remember, compliance is key.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I'll take care of it right away.
Ugh, that must have been stressful.
Yeah, that was not my best day. I fixed the light at the truck stop right after, updated the logbook, and checked all tires again. It was a good reminder. Even one small thing can cost time and points.
So you learned something from it.
Definitely. Now I always double-check everything before hitting the road. Lights, tires, reflective tape, extinguisher, paperwork, logbook, everything.
That's actually great advice. So basically, check your truck, keep your logs updated, and don't rush.
Exactly. I like to say, slow is smooth, smooth is safe.
That's such a good line. Nick, you should start teaching new drivers.
Maybe one day, after a few more clean inspections.
Ha ha ha, deal. Thanks for sharing that. I'm sure a lot of drivers will learn from your story.